Morning, Wolverines. What we're doing today is Zenbo Lab 2. We're going to program that Zenbo robot again. What we're doing today is we're going to do its displays, sounds, and speech outputs. So let's get started. Well, first thing, make sure you get today's quiz done. And here's the Zenbo Lab. So first, I want you to watch the instruction video. Well, if you're watching this, you're watching it. Here's the blocks we're using today. Here we have on the left side, these are display box. These change display type items, whether it's the LEDs along the side of the wheels, the expression on the face of the robot, or if you have an interface show where the face was. And we have the sound ones. Here's the options in the middle, shown in gold. Those are the sound options where it can either play sound or record sound. And then you have the speech options over here in the purple ones. That's where you can have the robot talk, you can change how it talks, and you can have it listen for particular trigger words or things. So that's what we'll be working with today. First thing, when you get to the Zenbo Lab website, remember the simulator is on the right side. That's where it shows the robot. Well, I'm circling right here. That's Zenbo. And down along the bottom, you have to click the very bottom edge to get the face to come up. Okay, what we're going to do today, we're going to practice coding these Zenbo outputs. So display, the logic, the speech. That's the main thing for today. So let's get started. Here's the Zenbo Lab website. Remember, all the code is along the left side. Here's the display blocks we'll be working with. They're purple. There's the sound blocks in gold. And the smart speech box in purple. They're the ones we work with today. Okay, first thing, remember when you have the robot turn on, you have to have something attached to start for it to do stuff. Also, remember with simulator is at the top of the right side, and to drag the face in from bottom side. Okay, here's the first thing you want to do. In the start box, you want to change the expression. So that's putting in here a show expression blocks, and then you hit this down arrow, and there's about 50 different faces pre-programmed, and you can actually add more if you understand getting it into that to it. But a bunch of pre-programmed faces, and then I put some motion blocks in here, and then I have it change again. So there's some practicing. Run the simulator, and you can see how the robot. Yeah. Well, next thing after that, instead of at the bottom of that. Your second expression change, put here show my interface. And what my interface is where you change the facial expression to something like I show here. Now, how did I do that? Well, we click where it says editor, and up comes the, you can either do it this way, it says showing it in rows, or it has another one where it's columns going across. Either one, and then you just type in what you want the different options to be. For coding the smart speech and response, I go, well, here I have it when the robot's default name is Zenbo. That if it hears its name, it says hello. There's a very simple smart speech thing. Now, if you code up that my interface, to make use of it, let me back up one. To make use of that my interface, you have to bring in these. I said, when I receive. And it'll say my interface, and then you hit the down arrow to select the option, whether it was 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you coded into it, what you read there. So here's my example. And so when somebody clicks on where it says music, what starts playing Imagine Dragons Thunder song. When it's done, it stops playing it. Over here, when someone clicks on the message, I have it showing a message. I actually have it showing, it's got a virus, kind of a joke, but I have it doing that. When somebody clicks on photo, well, the robot takes a photo. If they click here on this one, video, the robot records 15 seconds of video. Very simple coding. Any of the stuff that you code in, you can try out with the simulator. Remember I said to see what the simulating on the face, look down along the bottom, make sure you drag that up. I said there's it. So get all that code and then submit it in Canvas along the bottom here. the picture I have here, here's a sample of what I coded. I said that is in the, it's also in the help me file, the PowerPoint, which is kind of what I'm showing in this video, to how you do it. Well, that's all for today. Have a good day.